Former National Publicity Secretary of the party shortly to get more perspective to this latest development. But let's turn to other stories now. Leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has pleaded not guilty to 7-count charge of alleged terrorism brought against him by the federal government. Mr. Kanu was arraigned before a new judge, Justice James Omotosho, of the Federal High Court Abuja, after he accused Justice Binta Nyako, who had previously handled the case, of bias. Celestina Area has more.
After a series of accusations of bias against Justice Binta Nyako, her accuser from the case, and seeking a new judge to handle his case, Nnamdi Kanu appears before Justice James Omotosho, the new judge who will now be presiding over his case.
The case is on a new path. Because it is on a new path, we adopt new measures, the right measures. Our client, although angry, knows what is right, and he has done the right thing. The apology is given to the court, to the prosecution, even to the defense team.
Before the commencement of the day's proceedings, Mr. Kanu's new legal representation, Kanu Agabi, tendered an apology on behalf of Mr. Kanu to the Federal High Court, the prosecutor, Adegboyega Awomolo, Justice Binta Nyako, and his legal team. Prosecuting counsel Adegboyega Awomolo, reacting to the apology tendered by Mr. Kanu, says he has forgiven him for the comments made by Mr. Kanu, as he is a prosecutor and not a persecutor, and will do his duty diligently without any form of emotions. Presiding Judge Justice James Omotosho says the length of the trial may have taken a toll on Mr. Kanu. When he was arraigned in 2015, he was 47 years. Now he is 57 years old and still does not know where he is headed. This may have led to him making certain comments which were not right. Justice Omotosho also tendered an apology to the prosecutor on behalf of Mr. Kanu. After which, Mr. Kanu took his plea on the 7-count charge of terrorism. He pleaded not guilty to the charges. The court granted an accelerated hearing in the case and adjourned to 29th April, 2nd and 6th May for trial.
All Muslim wants and all of us want is justice, disposition of this trial, so that the nation can be at peace.
It has gone further to show that Nnamdi is not. He wants this whole thing to end. And just like he said, a man that was charged when he was 47 years old is 57 years old, and government have not been able to prove their case. So I'm also happy with the disposition of the judge, his commitment to see accelerated decision of this matter.
I want to hear, oh, no victor, no vanquished again. That's why I couldn't appear before you earlier when they said somebody had to apologize on his behalf. This is all waste of time. It's not an apology matter. If you like, you write hundreds. The judges themselves that you're apologizing to, it's beyond them.
Nnamdi Kanu has called for peace. He says there can be misgivings either from the citizens or from the government, but what is important is lasting peace and unity. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.